Everybody, it's Casey Koch from Real Creative, Real Organized, and today I am going to show you how to make these cute pet food storage bins. They're super simple, so let's get to it. Once this is all cut out on the Cricut, then it's just time to weed it. Just pulling away all of the excess that you don't need. Once you have it all weeded like this one, you want to take your transfer tape and you're going to peel off the backing, and you're left with this piece that has the grid lines and it's sticky. You're going to put it on your letters like this, and that will hold everything in place. So you can see that I've got the transfer tape on there ready to go. I didn't do this little bit at the bottom or some of the sides. I was saving a little bit of the product. It's fine. The main thing that I wanted to keep together are the letters and this little bit here, so it should still work just fine this way. Okay, one thing I like to do when I'm doing this is to use the little Cricut squeegee and just press it down on all of the letters like that, just to make sure that it's really adhered. And I'm just going to take and peel up the transfer tape. And the rest of the design should come with it occasionally like this. It's not quite coming up, this letter I, so you just press it back down and keep working until you get the whole thing up. And the other thing that works is just to kind of see how I'm like rolling it, peeling it back like that, and then it comes up like that. Okay? So now we have it all on the transfer tape. Once you have it on your box, you just want to give it a nice good squeegee. I've got a couple of little lumps I'm going to see if I can work out here.